Good morning, students. In the earlier lecture, we discussed about the types of disorder, their symptoms and causes. Today, we will discuss about the next topic, that is disability adequates. Disability adequates means how to behave and treat people with disabilities with respect, and not to treat them in such a way that they will force to thought that they are disabled. Disability adequates are for anyone with or without a disability to interact more effectively with people with disability. Sensitivity towards people with disability is not only in the spirit, it makes good common sense. So we should be sensible towards the people with disability. When supervisors and co-workers use disability adequates, employees with disability feel more comfortable and work more productively. So, adequates is an easy way to make people with disability feel awesome, welcome. So, basic adequates are uh, some basic adequates I will discuss about. First is ask before you help. जस्ट बिकॉज समवन हैज़ ए डिसेबिलिटी डोंट अज्यूम सी और ही नीड्स हेल्प, क्योंकि एक पर्सन डिसेबल्ड है तो इसका डोंट मतलब ये नहीं कि उसे ज़रूरत है, उसे हेल्प की ज़रूरत है. अडल्ट विद डिसेबिलिटी वांट टू बी ट्रीटेड एज इंडिपेंडेंट पीपल, so they also want to be treated as independent people. Be sensitive about physical contact. Some people with disability depend on their arms for balance. Grabbing them, even if your intention is to assist, could knock them off balance. Think before you speak to disabled people. Always speak directly to the person with a disability, not to his companion, aid or sign language interpreter. सो हमें डायरेक्ट डिसेबल्ड पर्सन से बात करनी चाहिए, ना कि किसी बीच में किसी थर्ड पर्सन से या साइन लैंग्वेज इंटरप्रेटर से. मेकिंग स्मॉल टॉक विद अ पर्सन हु हैज़ अ डिसेबिलिटी इज़ ग्रेट. जस्ट टॉक टू हिम एज सेम एज विद एनी वन एल्स. तो उनसे सेम ऐसे बात करनी चाहिए जैसे आप एक नॉर्मल पर्सन के साथ बात कर रहे हो. Respect his or her privacy. If we ask about his disability, he may feel like we are treating him as a disability, not as a human being. Many people with disabilities are comfortable with questions about their disability after getting to know someone. So किसी को अच्छी तरह जानने के बाद ही they feel more comfortable to talk about their disability. Don't make assumption about disabled person. So people with disability are the best judge of what they can or cannot do. Don't make decision for them about participating in any activity. Depending on the situation, it could be a violation of ADA to exclude people because of a presumption about their limitations. Next is respond graciously to request of disabled person. When people who have disability ask for an accommodation at your business, it is not a complaint. It shows they feel comfortable enough in your establishment to ask for what they need. If they get a positive response, they will probably come back again and tell their friends about the good service they received. So, people with disabilities are individuals with families, job, hobbies, likes, dislikes, problems, joys. So जो disabled person होते हैं उनमें सारे emotions they are having. While the disability is an integral part of who they are, it alone does not define them. सिर्फ disability किसी person को define नहीं कर सकती. Don't make them into disability heroes. Treat them as normal individuals. So disability adequates are very important to feel the disabled person independent and self-respectable, and you can say the productive members of the society. So we should follow all the disability etiquettes. Thank you very much.